You may know them as copper lugs, also called wire lugs, cable lugs, barrel lugs, or electrical terminals. Names vary by region and industry. Their core job is to act as a secure connector, linking electrical wires or cables to your equipment. Common types come in tin or bare copper finishes, with barrel crimp, open and closed structural designs. When crimping, always start from the barrel end, the golden rule. Never make an empty crimp. That means the inserted copper wire must fully fill the barrel, with the exposed length properly controlled, to prevent overheating during use. After crimping, soldering the joint with a soldering iron or heat gun to boost connection strength and cut oxidation risk. Follow me for more practical electrical tips.